Wow. Look at these guys. The whole market is in blood. Pepe is struggling to recover. Tui is struggling to recover as well. STX didn't really actually fall as per se. TIA is also actually trying to recover, but boy, Bitcoin is smashing it. Bitcoin is like, I'm going to down, 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 down. Of course, this is something we should have expected to happen, you know. And I believe those of you who have been taking out profits, you are sitting at a good opportunity to buy. Never you sell everything, always have Bitcoin, and now you have opportunity to buy those altcoins that are gonna make you even more profit. Is this the time to cash out? Do you have to take out profit now, or maybe you wait a little bit to see what the markets hold? Of course, we're gonna discuss about all of this today. You are welcome to the Betong's Crypto. Yeah, it's your guy, the Betong. I'm happy. Do you know why? I got some, some cash, some profits, Bitcoin. Now I'm buying all those altcoins that's gonna make me some gains. You know, I'm happy. This is what we should be hoping for, so we can have an opportunity to buy cheaper, right? This is major retracement, major pullback, and we have seen most altcoins out there. They are smashing, to the downside, and guys, I'm so happy to see that this is going on. Because see, Odi is down like crazy. Look at these guys. Solana also is down, not like crazy, but Solana is down. BNB is down. Everything is down. Like everything is down. I got some CSPIO. Let me see. I got some Casper. I got some, you know, SAT. I also got some, let's see, QNT. I got some QNT. You can see QNT is sitting at the bottom moving average on the 4 hours time frame. So I think we're gonna see it hold. But even if it doesn't hold, I'm gonna keep buying more of QNT until it gets to maybe below 100. Then I'm gonna relax a little bit. But what I do love about this project is that it's respecting trend. Each time it comes to the better moving average, it always pump to the upside. Now the question is, do we have to sell right now? Do we have to, exit the market? Or maybe let's just wait and see what's gonna happen afterward, right? I was talking like this, I didn't even show you guys my chart. I was trying to show you guys Q and see what's going on, and also showing you guys Solana or the where they are, BNB, all these coins they are down. Like look at where Casper is. Casper is actually down because like the opportunity for Casper is so amazing. You know, everything is in blood, like in blood. Where are you gonna start? Guys, in a time like this, what you need to understand is what like people, the big whales, are taking out profit. They are cashing out. So if say you know what's good for you, you should have sold long time ago. Like took out profit, I mean profit, right? Those who were part of my community, I mentioned something like this, like at least sell something, take out some profit, be in USDT or be in Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can see Bitcoin, actually down, but not that much, about 5% or 6%. Ethereum about 7%. But the rest we have, QNT was really down, badly. Dot was down crazy. Win, Renda, Filecoin. So I think now these guys are taking out profits, which is but normal for them to take out profit. And the big whales, like you don't want to be in the market when the whales are taking profit. When the whales or the market makers when they're taking out profit, it's crazy, guys. It's crazy. You ought to be out of the market, and when they take out profit, you get in back again. So looking at what is going on right now, I would say that don't panic, relax, calm down. We expect something like this to happen, no doubt. If we go to the chart of Bitcoin right now, let's just go to the chart of Bitcoin. I'm gonna give you guys good news today. For those of you who are panicking, don't sell anything right now. If you wanted to sell, you would have sold long time ago. I mentioned earlier, Mondays usually is a day that you look at the market, what the market is doing before you can get involved in it. I always say that, you wait for Monday to be over, then you like see what's going to happen, and Monday didn't give us that flavor. Like it wasn't that great on Monday. Today is Tuesday, so I think what we should be looking at is what will happen during this US session. So we're doing this UK session right now. We are in the UK session. Is UK going to push the price to the upside, or UK going to push back down, keep pushing down on price? Then maybe US can come and survive price, because right now as we speak, price is right far away the volume profile, which isn't like nice, right? It's not nice. We want to see price get into the volume profile, but right now is the time to buy. Actually, is to buy, not to sell, because price is below the POC, and I think price is gonna get to the better moving average here. This is the 4 hours time frame, and that's gonna be at 62,000 dollars. I think so. But let's look at the liquidation heat map. Let's refresh this, because there's something here I want you guys to see to give you guys some hope. I've been seeing looking at this for some time now, and I know that the dump is somehow over. Like you can see, the next target is $69,000. That's the next target. Like if say price have to recover from here, then the next target is $69,000. And when you see price at $69,000, do you know what you're gonna do? Sell at least half or 40% of everything you got. Let me repeat this again. Very soon the market will recover. And Bitcoin, the target looking at the book map, I'm seeing that Bitcoin is gonna actually get to 69,000. Like it can, but it's not. Let me not say 100%. Yeah, but it might get there. Looking at what has happened. Okay, and if that's the case, you are selling. That's when you are selling. You're selling at least half, because these coins that have dumped so badly, if this was a major retracement, then we're going to see these coins recover as soon as possible, like quickly. If Bitcoin start recovering, we're going to see these coins start recovering as well as soon as possible. But if that's not the case, then when Bitcoin gets to about $69,000 or $70,000, you want to get out from most of those risky coins, the meme coins that you are holding, all those shit stuff. Get out from all the stuff, except you are someone who, like, you have a lot of money, you want to keep DCA. But right now we don't actually know what's going on in the market. If say price, like maybe we have seen the top, or the bull market is ended, or it hasn't just started, or maybe this was just manipulation by the big players on Wall Street. I don't know. Maybe that's what was going on. You have to be honest with yourself and ask yourself, like, at this point in time, do you have what it takes to keep you in the market? What you have? Can you take the loss? If your loss was 10% of your portfolio, can you take the loss? Or if the loss was 30%, can you take the loss and regroup, then start building again? You know, of course, if say you are holding, spot for long term, forever, ever, 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 good for you. You have money, you can keep DCA. Like me, I didn't sell anything. I have been DCA, and when price get to $69,000, I know all the losses that I've made. I'm gonna recover everything, and I'm gonna sell and leave some of it. If it keep going up, fine. Keep dumping, I buy more. It recover a little bit, I sell. This is how I play. When the price is going more downward. So looking at this right now, I would say we should expect Bitcoin to somehow recover. So let me go to the 5 minute time frame. Let's see if we're gonna see some like a vector candle here, or maybe I'm gonna bring in the volume profile here. Sorry, the book map. Let me see. Okay, here we have green vector candle on the 5 minute time frame. Let's see if say we have the same candle on the 10 minute time frame. It's loading. Let's see. I want this to form quickly. Oh, it's taking some time to load. Okay, yeah, we have green vector candle here on the 10 minute time frame. Let's see if we have the same on the 15 minutes time frame. Do we have any green vector candle there? Okay, actually we have this violet, or let me just say blue vector candle here, which is also like it's more of a stopping. We have the pink also here, which is more of the stopping volume candle. So I think right now we should expect price to recover. And as you can see, if say we have to recover price, let's go to the book map. Let me give you guys a target. Let's go to the next 12 hours. I want you guys to have a target for the next 12 hours. What Bitcoin can do. You can see here, price the next the like if say we're gonna see some quick recovery right now, price is gonna get to 66 point, let me not say point 66,480, and the next target is gonna be at 69,000. So you can, if say you are buying right now, you can, if say you wanna be like at, let me say, secure, or you want to be safe, right? You can sell at 66,680. And if say you are someone who, like, you didn't sell anything, you are trying to buy right now to get out some profit when price recovers, then you're gonna sell when price get to $69,000. Let me see if say, I think if I bring in the book the book map here, this might not be nice. Let me see if I have some comments here. Hey, can you please check Gary network project Solana biggest web? Have a look at Gary. Let me check on Gary. What's Gary doing right now? Is Gary dumping? Gary now is on OKX actually. Let me see. Let's go to the daily time frame. Oh boy. Gary. Oh boy. Oh boy. Actually, let me do this here. Let me do this quickly with Gary. Let me take the Fibonacci extension to, yeah. Let me see. Gary. Okay. So actually, we might expect something to happen with Gary. I think I should get some Gary. You know, get some Gary. Is Sorry, my wife is saying something behind there. So Gary and sugar. Let me see. Gary looks somehow okay. Let me bring in the Trendillo. Yeah, actually, Gary has been moving sideways. Maybe we can see some like huge movement. Let me just go quickly to check what I forgot what Gary is all about again. I don't know. Like, I chat so many coins. I always have to go and check what the coin is all about. Let's see, Gary Network. I think this is it. Yeah, it's on the Solana chain. Oh, I remember why I didn't like Gary. I didn't like Gary because of this security supply. It has only 37% in circulation. So that's why I didn't buy Gary. Now I understand why I didn't buy Gary. Guys, I don't waste time with project like this. It might be the best project, but I want to get involved in it, no doubt. But I want to see most of these tokens being released in the market. You know, at least if say I want to buy a project and hold long term, I want to see that at least they have about 95% in circulation, or let's say 85% in circulation. If I say a project like this that has 37% in circulation, then I'm so scared about the project. They can easily dump it in the market. That's why I think I can remember now why I didn't buy Gary. I feel my lips dry. I mean, mm. Yeah, I think that's the reason why I didn't buy Gary. Have a look at Gary. I already look at Gary. I think that's the reason why I didn't buy Gary, or I don't have any sugar to drink the Gary. Okay. Let's look at Boomer, uh, Book of Meme. Actually, I don't know how far. I think Binance listed this coin. Whenever Binance lists a coin, that's when you are selling. Binance is. When Binance is going to list a coin, then you're going to be selling that coin immediately when Binance lists the coin. So let's see. Actually, boom. Let me refresh just to see. I don't know why it's taking so long to load. Oh, thanks so much. Actually, I what I'm seeing here with this meme coin is fascinating. We are seeing some huge buy here. I'm seeing some huge buy here on the 4 hours time frame. Let me look at it on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I think maybe um Boomer is about to recover. You know, yeah, I don't know, but you can see here. It should hold this area here. If it's able to hold this zone, let me see. If I draw a trend line here, it's gonna respect something. Okay, let's just see if say the next trend line gonna respect this. If say there's a trend line here, but actually I think I should do it the other way around. That's the wrong way to do it. Let me just do this like this. Okay. So I'm gonna keep my eye on Boom Book of Memes. I bought the coin earlier. I took out some profit already. I don't waste time. Yeah. So when it break any of this trend, you can see it has been respecting this trend. So if it's not able to break this trend and retest it, then I'm not gonna buy the coin. So I'm gonna keep my eyes on this one as well. Let's go back to check what is going on here. Um, Actually, let me see. Oh, whoa, whoa. Pepe is BGB is struggling to do well as well. Bong is let me see for the day. Let me just do this for the day and see which coin actually trying to do something well. Wow, Bong is down 20%. Nia is down 15%. Pepe 16%. Renda 14%. Floki 18%. Wow, look at the opportunity here, guys. So much opportunity that I can see here. I'm just scalping the market as well, looking at the market to give me some opportunity as well to buy, keep buying. I've been like shopping, you know. But why I'm so excited, guys, you can see I'm excited. Why I'm so excited is because everything is playing out, to my favor. I have some, cash aside. I have some Bitcoin aside. I can now buy these altcoins. I know Bonk is going to recover like crazy. If let's just look at Bonk right now. If Bonk is down about 20%, Floki is down about 80%. It means that if say they want to recover, oh boy, Pepe is down as well, it's 60%, 16%, those 12%. But Bitcoin is not down that much. Audi is down 14%. You can see for the day. Let's see. Let me just check on Bitcoin for the day. Bitcoin. So let's see what Bitcoin has done. You can see Bitcoin is down just 6% for the day. For the week is down 11%. Let's see Audi. Audi is down. You can see for the day is down 14%. For the week is down 24%. So just imagine that you had Bitcoin, you sell your Bitcoin right now, you buy Audi, you're gonna make more Bitcoin. So that's it. That's the kind of mindset that I'm trying to educate you guys on my platform. Holding Bitcoin doesn't mean that you wouldn't make money. You will make money, but you wouldn't make money like quick. That you wouldn't make money quick, fast, fast. Like how most people, are gonna be expected to make, right? You're gonna make money, no doubt, but you're gonna be gradually. You're gonna be able to keep the money you make. Okay, so looking at crypto bubbles right now, looking at Bitcoin, looking at the entire market. If say you would have sold your Bitcoin right now and buy Audi, you should be making more profit than being in Bitcoin doing this dip. So Bitcoin actually, like right now, I sold my Ethereum, sold my Bitcoin. I got some of these altcoins. I'm gonna, you know, keep watching what Bitcoin is gonna do. But looking at Bitcoin right now, let me just go to the chart of Bitcoin. You can see that. Let's just go. This is Gary. Let me go back to Bitcoin. You can see that. Looking at the chart of Bitcoin, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame so we can get some flavor there. Okay, so looking at this right now, I think maybe we can see price go right down to $62,000. You know, let's see. Yeah, we can see price go right down to $62,000. But looking at this zone, yeah, I think we can, you know, let me check. Let me look at this a little bit. Let me see. Yeah, I think we can recover. The market can recover and get to $69,000. You know, I can see here that, looking at this vector candles here, there are so many of them that price haven't yet recovered. So the best thing or the next thing price can do for Bitcoin is to go and recover these vector candles. You know, yeah, I think that's gonna be the next target for Bitcoin. Guys, if say you have any other coin that you want me to do analysis on, then feel free to communicate that coin with me right now. Let me go and check on it as we speak. If not, then I'm just gonna keep watching at the chat and see. I'm trying to do some stuff here also with my phone, try to buy some stuff. Yeah, so I'm not gonna be. It's not gonna be that kind of a live that we do TA consistently. Let's just watch the price of Bitcoin and see what Bitcoin is gonna do. Then we can decide on how we can wanna approach our altcoin. So yeah, let's just wait and see what Bitcoin will do. Yeah, I think I'm gonna bring in the book map if that's the case. Let me see. But I'm just a little bit skeptical that the bookmark it might slow down my computer. So let me just bring it a little bit. So let me just bring it. It's okay. Let me just bring the bookmark here so we can have it. The bookmark is loading. Ah, the bookmark is still loading. While the bookmark is loading, let's just keep checking at the price of Bitcoin. See what's going on. Hello. Okay. So let's see if the bookmap. I think Bitcoin is gonna recover. Let's see if the big bookmap is loaded or it's still loading. The bookmap is so heavy, guys. I think maybe I should take it off. It's actually slowing down my computer. Yeah, I've quit the bookmap. Yeah, let's just stick on this one and see what's going on here. Okay. Um, I think maybe I just gonna, continue trading. I think I've mentioned all what I want to say today. I mean, like now, I want to concentrate to catch some trades here. There's a trade I want to catch right now. Let me see. I just got some like it's halving it's halving happening already because my portfolio is already half. I got this look in the group. Oh yeah. What I don't like about crypto is that um like crypto make people to actually forget the fact that they are actually playing with with big whales in the industry. Like they just feel comfortable watching their portfolio grow. They are happy. I'm making money. They forget that the price can wake up one day while you are sleeping. Before you wake up, you find yourself bleeding half. Actually, my portfolio, I've like I'm down like really bad. Of course, I'm down. But what is good about my down is that I have something aside to buy back. Then I wait for recovery. Once I get the recovery, that's when I'm gonna sell everything. You know. Maybe. Yes. Come here, come here. You're eating. Yes, yes. You're eating. No, don't take my phone. Take this. Take away this. Drink. Look at somebody. Somebody is gonna drink this in the morning. Yeah, we're drinking this while daddy is walking. Okay. Hmm? Hopefully you will not come and disturb daddy again. Hmm? My son want to chat, want to do crypto. He's going to be a fundamental and TA guy, like the dad. I mean, maybe more than the dad, because he's going to be learning how to do this from small, like from let me say when you'll be like 10 years, I'll start teaching him everything crypto. Yeah. Yes, let's just wait and see what's gonna go on here. Guys, if you have question, do post your question. I'm gonna respond to your question. This is one of those live that I just come here looking at what is going on in the market. If I meet someone here who have some questions, I can answer your questions. We can look at any coin that you are holding. Help you out. You say you need help, but don't sell. Don't sell your coins right now. Now it's not the time to sell. I've mentioned when you're gonna sell. Sell only when you see Bitcoin at 69,000 or $68,000. That's when you're gonna sell. And if say you're gonna see Bitcoin, we're gonna see Bitcoin at $68,000 or $69,000. Most of these other altcoins must have recovered as well, right? And in that case, you are gonna be good to go. So yeah, as of now, don't sell anything. Don't sell now. Look at your face. All your face is food. All your face is food. Hmm? All of your face is food, 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 food. This is my boy. All right, guys, I'm gonna call this a go for today. Hopefully, you're gonna be happy with what you're seeing right now.
Of course, I mean those who took out profit. But if say you didn't take out profit, don't sell anything yet. Wait for Bitcoin to get to $68,000 or $69,000 before you can actually sell. Right? If that's not the case, then good luck.